All right, so this is the absolute best way I found to save money when shopping, and it's Rakuten.com. So pretty much the site is just, it's like a middleman site. So you just go to Rakuten first, then you go to the actual store you want to go to and shop like normal, and you'll get cash back. The cash back percentages change all the time. So if you see a good deal, make sure you grab it while you can. It is absolutely legit. Up here, you can see I've actually gotten $497 back so far. My next check is going to be for $60. And I've really received like 5 checks in the mail from this company. So I know it's 100% legit. Here are some of the stores that I've used personally recently. But there's a huge list of stores. You can go on the website and see all the stores, check it out for yourself. Another thing though, before you go to the site, there's a referral. So I'll have a link in the description below. And if you use that link, when you spend $40, they're going to send both of us $40 back. So pretty much all you got to do is make sure you use my link. And when you buy your next $40 of anything that you would normally buy anyway, Rakuten's going to send you $40 back. So it's like you pretty much got all that stuff for free. Plus you're going to get the discounted bonus, and you'll be able to continue to get the bonuses on every other purchase that you make. I've used this site for buying a new GoPro. When I bought my Dell XPS laptop, I've even used it with the app and gotten in-store cash back. Like I've gone to Walmart and just had the cashier scan my app while I bought stuff and I got the cash back. So this is an amazing way to make money back while you shop like you normally would anyway. Oh, and one more thing, the referral bonus actually changes every so often. So right now it's $40, but I've seen it be $25 and I've seen it be $30. So it's a really, really nice time to use it and get the $40. So go use my link in the description below and buy $40 worth of free stuff.